Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search icon and in the search bar type File Explorer and click here to open it. Then open C drive. Now open Windows folder. Scroll down and open software distribution folder. Then open download folder. Now select all these files and simply delete them. Select as. Click on continue. Once done, close the File Explorer. Again go to search bar and type Troubleshoot settings. Then click here to open it. Click on other troubleshooters and simply run Windows updates. It will try to detect the problems and resolve it. So close this, then go to search bar and type Windows update settings and click here. Now we need to update our Windows. Then click here to download and install the latest version. This will take some time. So open command prompt window, run as administrator, select as. After that, type sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, close command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.